Hey there, it's Kevin here, and I will be reviewing the book Where the Red Fern Grows by Wilson Rawls. If you like adventure, action, and surprises, then this book will be your favorite book in the entire world. Where the Red Fern Grows takes place in the Ozark Mountains. It is about a boy named Billy and his dogs, Old Dan and Little Ann. The main character's name is Billy. He loves going hunting for raccoons in the woods. His mom says that he's coon crazy, but his dad actually admires his enthusiasm about hunting. In the beginning of Where the Red Fern Grows, Billy has the biggest puppy-wanting disease ever. It's when a boy wants a puppy so badly that they can't stop thinking about it, and it even gets in their dreams. Well, this disease was extra bad for Billy. He wanted 2 red-bone coon hunting hounds more than anything in the entire world. Then a sale came up in the magazine. Red-bone coon hunting hound pups, 2 for $50. Billy could not believe his luck. After Billy got his dogs, he went coon crazy this time, for real. He was out every single night hunting raccoons. After a while, a mean man was looking for someone who could hunt a ghost coon. This ghost coon could go into the highest tree and then just vanish from plain sight. Old Dan and Little Ann, the dogs, did not catch the ghost coon. The man got mad, but then his old blue tick hound got into a fight with Old Dan and Little Ann. Old Dan is very strong, and Little Ann is very smart, and together they were killing the blue tick hound. The mean man got very, very upset. He took an axe. He was running straight for them, but you'd be surprised of what happened. Next, Billy went to a contest to see which dog could catch the most raccoons. But then an awful blizzard came through. His dad, granddad, and his dogs were stuck in it, including him. It was very bad. But you need to read the book to find out what happened. The life lesson in the book is determination. This is a good life lesson because if you keep on pushing the limits on yourself, then you'll realize you can go very, very far. And then another big theme is man's relationship with dogs. My favorite part of the book is when Billy gets his 2 red-bone coon hunting hound pups. My least favorite part of the book was in the end and some things died. I would rate this book a 5 out of 5-star review because it's so nice and it has a good storyline. Thanks for watching!